You see, mommy? I love it.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Mhm.
I like to eat. I like to read.